We're going to show you how to hoop the back of a cap, and we'll do it in an easy way. We're going to prepare our 5x5 hoop, which comes standard with your happy machine and a piece of stabilizer. We'll use the corner of a table since hooping like this, flat, can be more difficult. If we move to a corner, it becomes much easier to insert the cap. Also, most caps come with a small stitching seam, just about 3 stitches long. I recommend removing that small seam so that you can open up the flap completely. Now let's grab the hoop. I've already adjusted the screw so I don't have to struggle or make the cap too tight. I hold the cap here in the center with my finger and place the hoop. Since this is a 5x5 hoop, our embroidery area will be around 3 inches. I'll use a reference point to help me center it properly, in this case, the center seam of the cap. There it is. Now, one thing to keep in mind, some caps like this one are fairly stable, but others are more elastic and may puff up. That's why it's important that the stabilizer is stretched tight like a drum, since that's what gives stability to the embroidery. It's okay if there are small wrinkles, you can just stretch those little spots that didn't sit perfectly flat. Once the cap is properly hooped, we're ready to move to the machine. Remember, you'll need to rotate the design since we're embroidering on the back. Here, I've already loaded the logo and set it for a 5x5 hoop, but now I'll rotate it. There are 2 ways to do this. I can press P and rotate it manually, or enter a specific degree value. In this case, I'll set it to 180 degrees so it rotates completely. Now I'll center and trace the design as usual. Here I'm just adjusting a few small details. You can see I've aligned the laser right in the center of the seam. Then I press start. You'll notice I use the Happy Machine's functions to adjust the hoop position. I move it slightly to give the flap a bit more spacing. Right there. That looks good. Now we can proceed. Here's a quick note. It's important to gently stretch the fabric. In this case, there were a few wrinkles, but since the logo stitches from right to left, it should smooth out the fabric as it embroiders. Okay, I press start, and we'll wait for the final result. Alright, the design is finished. Let's take a look at how it turned out. I'll remove it from the hoop and cut away the stabilizer with scissors. Okay, you can see how clean and even the result looks. And that's how you embroider on the back of a cap, using the laser from the 7-needle Happy Machine, which gives a perfect 90-degree vertical alignment. With this laser, plus the ability to move the design forwards or backwards using the controls, you can position your logo perfectly every time.